Typically, when your digital images come off of a camera, they won't be at the right size for printing. One way to resize an image is with the image size command. Just choose Image, Image Size. This will bring up a dialog box so you could reassign how the pixels are interpreted. If you uncheck Resample Image, you could just simply reassign the pixels per inch. For example, printing is often assigned to 300 pixels per inch, and you'll see that this image is about a 10 by 7. If I reduce this down to 150, which is more common in newspaper printing, you see the printed size doubles. Let's go back to 300 pixels per inch, and we will check Resample Image. I want to go ahead and fit this into a 10-inch print, so I'll type 10 inches. You'll notice that the file size is reduced because the image is actually shrinking, and some of the pixels will be discarded. Using the bicubic automatic, it'll intelligently switch to the best for reduction method. You could manually choose this, but the automatic method in CS6 will make sure the best method is automatically used. That looks great. I can click OK, and you see the image is slightly resized.